You never find inner peace.
Trying to please everybody else.
This is real life. I just landed from a flight. As I came in, I think I just might bang out my prayer on his seat. See, it's all eyes on me. I'm a stranger in this world. This is the life of MB. You see, this prayer's like saving me from my own destruction. Without this, how do I even function? Man out here making their own decisions. They don't even turn to Allah for assistance. Got no resistance. You fell victim to your own desire. Then you feel bad. Then you do good. Then you're trying to go back. Living life on a roller coaster. She says she wants to please Allah, posing like the girl on a poster. And man will never learn till it's over, till it's too late. Behaving like a rude boy but speaking like a sheikh. Is a crazy world where everybody suffers in silence. So much killing I became immune to the violence. This is real life. Everybody's acting like they're woke, but the actions don't match none of the words that they quote. I spoke from the heart and I touch hearts all over the globe. I had to learn all them things I didn't know. Woke up to an alert on my phone. He said he doesn't want to live this life no more. He's only 12 years old. He said he feels let down by the community. Can't rely on his uncles, and his dad left his mum on her own. That's one case out of 100. Yearly turned to thousands. Million problems to solve, yet we're here still clowning. 100 people's around him, still feeling lonely. Nobody understand him, the pain that he's holding. But he smiles every time that he's posting. He shows the world the best part. Allah's the only one that really knows him. Half of the world's just posing while the cameras are on, and when they're off, the breakdown's loading. I took off from Rome on a private jet. I didn't snap it at all. I guess it's different when you live it for real. You see, there's different ways of earning respect and attracting attention. I pray my heart's much bigger than my check. So much things that I can't even mention. Some things I regret, some I'm grateful for learning a lesson. Nobody's faith safe. You think heaven's like a booking and you can just reserve your place. You gotta work hard and protect your heart till you go to the grave. This world meets no man halfway. I said the world meets no man halfway. I get down and pray. There's an effect from the words that you say. You like to humiliate people too much. I'd rather give them a hug and be rewarded for encouraging love. Cause the world meets no man halfway. I get down and I pray, and that's the same on a good or bad day. This is real life.
You find it hard to be yourself, trying to please everybody else.